In this video, I'll be telling you how to write a for loop and what you can do with it. A for loop is a block of code that repeats the same code inside of it. This is Samuel. What is an iteration? An iteration is like a round. So if you bounce the basketball one time, that would be one round and one iteration. What is a loop? Loop is when an action is repeated over and over again. To write a for loop, you're going to write for, a pair of parentheses, and then inside the parentheses, you're going to write let I equal 0. So then I will equal 0. And then you're going to write semicolon. And then you're going to write the condition after the semicolon. So I is less than 10. And then another semicolon. So if I is greater than 10, the loop will end. Now we're going to add the increment. So then you're going to write I plus plus. That will increment 1 to I after every iteration. But you don't have to write I plus plus. If you want to add 2 or more, you can write I equals I plus 1, 2, 3, and so on. Then you're going to write a pair of curly brackets. So now, inside the curly brackets, we're going to write what will happen in each iteration. So I wrote console.log hi, but now I'm going to add console.log I. So then we can check what iteration the loop is on. So 0 high is the first iteration, 1 high is the second iteration, and so on.